Welcome to We Are Chef channel. Today we are gonna show you how to cook jasmine rice. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of cooking delicious jasmine rice with our rice cooker. But for those who don't have access to this kitchen appliance, we'll show you simple steps to achieve fat-free and fragrant jasmine rice using just a saucepan. So let's get started and learn how to prepare this staple grain of yeast. Start by measuring 150 grams of jasmine rice. Place it in a saucepan. Raise the rice with cold water, gently agitating it with your fingers. Drain the water and repeat this process twice to ensure any dust or impurities are washed away. After rinsing the rice, avoid soaking it, as it can make the cooked rice mushy. The desired texture of jasmine rice is achieved when it's cooked without soaking. Add 190 ml of cold water to the saucepan with the rice. Cook the rice over high heat, with the lid on until it comes to the boil. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the rice to absorb the water and cook evenly. During the cooking process, refrain from lifting the lid as it may disrupt the steaming and cooking time. Once check the rice once the allotted time has passed, to ensure there is no excess water remaining over the rice. Once the rice is cooked, gently fluff it with a spoon or a rice paddle to allow air to circulate between the grains. This helps to remove any excess moisture and give the rice a soft and fluffy texture without it becoming overly sticky. And that's it. Now you know how to cook jasmine rice with our rice cooker. It's a straightforward and hassle-free method using just a saucepan. Enjoy fluffy and aromatic jasmine rice in no time. Give it a try and enhance your meals with this delicious essential. Thank you for watching.